On the first day, it's just a sneeze, nothing serious. By day 3, it doesn't stop. You can't finish a sentence without breaking into another one. By day 7, your body loses control. Sneezing becomes constant, automatic. By day 14, even sleep doesn't stop it. There is no stop anymore. And by day 30, you are no longer a person, only a skeleton of habit, where sneezing is existence itself.